Oh, I was really wanting to work in here today, but I had a little bit of an incident at Home Depot, which I will show you the little clip of. But I don't know what I was thinking. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. But I was thinking I could put it in my bathroom on the wall under the air conditioner. I think this is a house because here is my bathroom. And there is my air conditioner. Now, I don't think it's really gonna work. Oh well, it was a cute idea, so I'll return it. So maybe I'll get a little thing for that wall. I'm not sure that would tie in with the mirror that I had already bought. So, oh well. And I wanted to work on the stoves today. And I bought paint. Sorry about the mess on top of them. But I bought paint, heat paint, so I could try to restore the old one. It just needs washed. And of course I didn't get time to do that. I'd lost my receipt for that. I got this rug that I thought was kind of cute for the bathroom. It's just, it's kind of cool and different. But it's too big, so I'm taking it back. I was going to give it to the dogs to lay on, but I could just see them plucking out all these little things. And, no, that's not going to happen. I'm not going to let them do that. Bought this for the cats when I get their area rebuilt. So it's a 1-gallon cat waterer, because my cats are weird. They drink with their feet. They're very weird. So I can keep that clean at least. Anything else going on? Not really. I bought some paint. I'll go get it. I'm going to put this back in my car because I just found the receipt to return it. I have a few things to return, so I'll be right back. I am at Home Depot. I came to get some supplies for the Silver Streak. This is my car. I was here already. Look what somebody did. This is unbelievable. Untotally believable. Seriously, really? You've got to park your plate smashing right into mine? That is not cool, guys. For my cat area, I was concerned how I was going to cover the window with a screen on it, but yet be able to use the window in cooler air so that the breeze can come through, and so they can also look out the window. And I found this. It's a little piece of metal. I think it cost about $32. But I can take that and place it over this window. So that will work. So I'm glad to have found that. That's one problem resolved. Out of a few problems. That's resolved. I don't have to worry about it now. I just get it up there when the time comes. I just have to store it someplace where it will stay flat because it kind of wants to bend and stuff. I'm also going to give you a sneak peek at a light cover for the kitchen. A colander. Wait a minute. I'm holding it wrong. A colander. Look at that. Wouldn't that be cute? As a cover over that? I think it'll be. So, there you go. You get a sneak peek. I also bought the Kills tape. Duh. I also bought the Kills paint at Home Depot. And it has a satin finish. And I plan on using this inside all the cabinets and on the walls and such. I don't know if 2 gallons will do it, but I don't know. I have to decide. I've got lots of paint now because I also have a satin finish paint in the office that's another brand. But the Kills is supposed to help kill the odors. However, the other paint's a really good brand too, so I don't know. But yeah, 4 gallons of white paint should be enough. And not everything's getting painted white, just the insides of the cabinets and the ceiling. So, you know, just stuff like that. But, okie dokie, cut this short. I showed you this the other day where I just went ahead and stuck some stuff up here. When I'm getting ready to paint, when I get ready to paint, I will put all this stuff in the storage building and get it out of here. But, you know, I thought it would be nice. Yeah, I need to go ahead and finish this area off. But I still want to get an electrician over here to put it in a socket down there on the other side of the wall. So that's it today for the Twinkie, the Silver Streak, the vintage RV. Oh, that is so pretty. Too bad I can't use it. I don't know what I was thinking. Silly me. Oh well. I guess sometimes I get out there and I think things are bigger than they are. And of course the window was bigger than I thought it was. But I was able to find that, and I'm really thankful I found that particular kind because the cats cannot scratch through it.